Welcome to Business by World, where we discuss success in business. Today our topic is how China became export leader in the world and how it has become superpower. Let's start. China has become a global superpower, and one of the key factors that has contributed to this is its position as the world's leading exporter. But what makes China such a dominant force in the export market, and how has it managed to achieve this status? In this video, we'll explore the reasons behind China's export success. Firstly, it's important to acknowledge that China has a large, low-cost labor force. This has enabled the country to produce goods at a lower cost than many of its competitors, which in turn has made it an attractive option for businesses looking to save money. Additionally, the Chinese government has actively encouraged foreign investment in the country, offering tax breaks and other incentives to companies that set up operations there. This has further boosted China's manufacturing capabilities and made it an even more appealing option for businesses looking to outsource production. Another key factor in China's export success is the country's infrastructure. China has invested heavily in its transport and logistics networks, building highways, railways, and ports that are capable of handling large volumes of goods. This has made it easier and more cost-effective for businesses to transport goods to and from China, further boosting the country's competitiveness in the global market. China has also been quick to adopt new technologies and innovation. In recent years, the country has become a leader in areas such as artificial intelligence, robotics, and 5G technology. This has enabled Chinese manufacturers to produce goods more efficiently and to a higher standard than many of their competitors. Furthermore, China's position as a major exporter has been aided by the global supply chain. Many multinational corporations have shifted their production to China to take advantage of its low-cost labor force and efficient infrastructure. This has created a network of suppliers and buyers that has made it easier for businesses to import and export goods to and from China. However, China's export success has not come without controversy. The country has been accused of engaging in unfair trade practices, including currency manipulation and the theft of intellectual property. This has led to tensions with countries such as the United States and has resulted in trade disputes and tariffs being imposed on Chinese goods. In conclusion, China's position as the world's leading exporter can be attributed to a number of factors, including its large, low-cost labor force, efficient infrastructure, and adoption of new technologies. However, the country's export success has also been marred by accusations of unfair trade practices. As China continues to grow and assert its dominance on the global stage, it remains to be seen how the country will navigate these challenges and maintain its position as a leading exporter.